Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to disconnect your headphones EDIFIER W830NB from your phone using application. You have to start by open the application and now go to settings at the right top. Then go to Bluetooth settings and right here we have disconnect. So click here and confirm. And voice prompt said disconnect and we can see no headphones here in the application, so we did it. We can even go to the settings and see that it's disconnecting. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!